Hi guys, welcome back to Shelling Out. James here again. In today's episode, as you can see, there's a load of bags behind me. That's all tools and things that I've brought up because I'm going to be trying to get the doors back together, get the glass back in, beading on, the bottom panels cut out and get them refitted, just so we can start getting this boat watertight before the winter comes. I know we're only in the summer, but things move fast when you work on these boats, because it seems like day to day just drifts by. But yeah, hopefully make some progress today, and I'll keep you all updated as I go along. So I brought the strip wood now to do all the two doors and the outsides of them windows. So that's what I'm going to use to bond the glass in. So I've got the first bit of beading cut to size and placed in roughly, but yeah, it seems like it's all going to be square. Just need to sand it up and then put the pane of glass in, put it down, and then clamp this down to glue it in place. I'm trying to do this one-handed to show you. I'm just cleaning all the old paint and crap off this glass. And I'm going to wipe it all down with white spooks before I fit it. So this is just a basic normal glazing putty. What I'm going to do, I'm going to glaze the glass into here, and then I'll seal it from the front then, so the glass and the frame are fitted together with something like a sticks-like kind of silicone, but something that's paintable, so if it needs to be re-waxed at the end, it can be treated. But yeah, this isn't got to be neat because a lot of this is going to be pushed out. You're probably not going to get it. That's probably too thick as well. It probably wants to be a lot thinner. But we'll see how it goes. Also, this is probably the worst puttying ever. So I'm going to use this. It's all high tack. I've used this a few times at work and it's pretty good. So no, that's shorter. That's an accident waiting to happen. So yeah, I'll see how it goes with this. And a small bead down the inside, and then I'm going to clamp these in place on this top one and let this cure it. And then try and put some nails through like that once it's done. But trying to put pins through there with the glass underneath is a bit risky, so I'm not going to do it on that one. But on there, on the bottom panel, I'll nail all that one. and put a bit of this around it as well. Good measure. So the glass is back in now, and what I'm going to do is, I don't know if you can see this part, I'm going to cut the ply now, put that in and bead that in. But yeah, that's gone in alright actually. Don't normally use one of these, as well, just guess. I'm going to have to cut again. So 174, or 305, 304, so we go 174, take us in a bit, so we do 172, one by 3, 1303, something like that. Do start from the top there, 303 down, put the line, and then measure again, 303, put a line, and use a saw. You've got a set square on the saw, it's not mega accurate, but you have got a set square, and then you know, if you measure in 2 places, and you go across, like that, you know you've got a straight line, and then you're going to do the same. 172 there. Hello. 172 there. I was filming. Okay. Nah, you're alright. Okay, you alright though? Love you. And then you get it and you cut it and you way off. You shoot the cut with the saw. So yeah, if you cut this and it's wonky, if you measure from there to there, there to there, and then again, rather than just trying to put one line and using a set square down to it, you know you're square. Looks alright, pretty good. That's in there. So now on the second panel, second door, that one's done over there. I've had to cut this a bit because the door's like warped over the years, but yeah, that was a bit of a tricky one. Like, although I measured it, still had to take a bit out, but it was no problem. I used that tenon saw, which cut through the ply really straight and decent, to be fair. But yeah, that one's done, that panel. So I'm going to start getting all the beading cut now, and then assemble it all again. So we're on the second door now. That's trimmed and put in. The glass, I've just put the putty on and set the glass in, so I've just got to put the trim around there, and then you can see that one. That is one of the finished ones already. I've got to obviously still sand and give it another coat and then sort it out. So I've just finished the doors, finished putting the panels in and the glass. I'm really happy with how they've turned out, to be fair. But yeah, I don't know if this will be tied onto another video and I'll just do one long video of what's going to come out of this video. But if this is the end of it, please like and subscribe, all that good stuff. It really helps. Thanks for all your support so far and all your views as well. It's really cool. I hope you like this kind of video, and just let us know in the comments if you're enjoying it or not. Cheers guys.